In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of PNG images in Figma. We'll keep this simple and fast. Start by opening the Figma website in your browser. Once you're in, open the file or page that contains the PNG image or icon you want to recolor. This method works best with PNGs that have a transparent background, like most icon files. Click your icon to select it so Figma knows which element you're working with. Now we'll add a color layer that will be clipped to the icon's shape. Choose the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle that completely covers the icon. It should be large enough to fully sit on top of it. If you prefer, you can drag from corner to corner or just press R on your keyboard to activate the rectangle tool. With the rectangle selected, look to the right side panel and find the fill section. Click the color swatch and pick the color you want your icon to become. You can choose a solid color, adjust the hex value, or use the eyedropper to sample from your design. Don't worry about precision yet, you can change this at any time. Next, select both elements, the PNG icon and the colored rectangle. You can do this by holding Shift and clicking each one, or by dragging a selection box over both. Now right-click on the selection and choose how to use as mask. Instantly, Figma will clip the color rectangle to the shape of your PNG, giving you a clean, recolored icon. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Figma uses the topmost layer in the selection as the mask. For best results, make sure your PNG icon sits above the rectangle in the Layers panel. If you see a solid colored block instead of a clipped icon, simply adjust the layer order so the icon is on top before applying the mask. From here, you can fine-tune the color anytime. Just select the rectangle inside the mask group and change its fill color. You can also try gradients or adjust opacity to match your design system. If the edges look soft, zoom in to confirm your PNG is high resolution. The mask will preserve whatever quality the image provides. That's it, quick, clean, and fully editable. You've learned how to change the color of PNG images in Figma using a simple rectangle and the Use as Must feature.